Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marush Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to discuss the live mock reasoning section of SSC CGL, which was conducted over the weekend. So before we start, quickly join in live and share this session right away with your friends and other fellow aspirants so that everybody can sit through this and benefit from all the questions we are going to discuss. Now, on a regular basis, we are bringing these mock sessions for all of you. So before we begin, I would just like to tell you that utilize these sessions as much as possible. If you have already given the mock over the weekend, wonderful, you should have. So then you can use this as just a tally system as to how your approach was, how your method was, and how I have solved it. So that if you may find your method better and faster, you can stick to that. If you find my method better or faster, you can convert to that. And for those who did not sit for the mock over the weekend, utilize this as a practice session. The level of questions is at par your SSC examinations which have been conducted so far, and this also includes some variation. You might have observed already there is some variation which is keeping in mind the changes which may be introduced in further. Okay, so take these sessions very seriously. From Thursday onwards this week, I'll be starting with topic wise YT sessions for all of you. So if you are liking all this content, hit the like button right away. Comment in the comment section once the video is over as to what else are you expecting from us which we can do for you. Also subscribe to the channel if you are new and watch this video till the end. Let's start without any further ado. The first question in front of you. Hi Sangeeta, good evening. First question in front of you, very easy question. Two positions of a dice are shown. When 3 hearts is at the top, what will be at the bottom? If you observe carefully, these questions are only given to take more time of yours sometimes in this form. Otherwise, if it was numbers, it was very easy. So what is this? This is 1, 6, 3 and here it is 4, 6 and 5. They are asking you what is opposite 3. Now what is there in this question? Nothing. From 6 if you go clockwise, 1 and 3, 4 and 5. So 3 is opposite to 5. So option C is the clear-cut correct answer here. As I told you, utilize this as a practice session. If you have not attempted the mock, please start writing the correct answer in the chat box. Okay. Good. Next. $37 is related to 1368, 76 is related to 5775, then 28 will be related to what? If you are giving me an answer, I would also request you to give me an answer with logic, because sometimes just with luck also you might get the correct answer. Now, one thing might happen, okay. When you look at the question, something might not click because you are like, okay, 37, 1368. I am not able to figure something out. 76, 57, 75, maybe not able to figure something out. But the moment you see 28 and the moment you look at the options, an immediate bell should ring in your mind that this is a perfect square. 784 and 780s, all these numbers are close to the perfect square of 28. That means this has got something to do with perfect squares. Now, calculating 75 square is easy, right? So what will be 75 square? You can calculate 75 square and 76 square rather. So that will be 5776. And then you will see it is just 1 minus the square. Here also it is the same thing is happening. Okay, 1369, 37 square minus 1. So here you will simply do 28 square minus 1, which is 783. Option A becomes my correct answer. So I am giving you a thought line also. How you have to think when you are sitting in the examination. I am very sure a lot of students would have faced a problem in figuring this out. But the moment you see this, it should click right away. Next, question number 3. How many meaningful English words can be formed from G and OS using each letter mandatorily but only once in each word? That means you can only form 4-letter words. Tell me how many? Where are the answers, guys? So a lot of students used to tell me that the mocks are quite easy, but now they've started tricking you. And they are not raising the bar altogether. They will raise it one question at a time, maybe slight variations. Now, how many meaningful English words? So one word immediately you will guess, that is S-O-N-G, song. And everything stops here. And majority of the people have answered option C as the correct one, which is not right. Okay. What else can be a possibility? So there is another word, snog. Snog means to show a lot of physical affection towards somebody. Caring, caressing, okay, holding tightly. So that is snog. And there is another word, not very commonly used, but it is meaningful. This implies little blocks of or logs of wood. Little logs of wood. Blocks of wood. Okay. So logs of wood, song and snog. So option B becomes my correct answer. Right? Next. Question 4. This one is pretty easy. Good, very good. Yes, Santosh. Correct. Good job, guys. Very good. NGOS nahi hai, no GS. Naveen. How many alphabet positions will not change if the letters in the word restore are arranged in reverse alphabetical order from left to right? Now they are not asking you in front, they are asking you to arrange it in the reverse order from left to right. So in that case, the highest is 20. So 20, then 19, then 18, then we have 15, then we have TSRO. Okay, we had 2 R's, I did not see that. So TSRROEE. How many have not changed? Only 2. Right? Only 2 have not changed. So option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 5. Letter analogy. These ones are usually easy. Keep answering, guys. Pick up the pace. And don't leave the session midway. Stay till the end. WZRC BEWH. This is not difficult actually, just that people can't connect sometimes. This is 23, this is 28, so they are just increasing by 5. This is 26, this is 5, so just increasing by 5. 18 plus 23 is again 5, and 3 and 8 is again 5. So just try this here. So 11 plus 5 will be 16, so we'll start with P. This is gone, this is gone. PLU, PLU, don't bother checking the others, just check the last one. So 13 plus 5 is 18, so we'll have R in the end, which is option A. Clear? Next, question number 6. Africa, Antarctica, Eurasia, Australia. This one is pretty easy. I mean, you should give me immediate answers here, guys. What's wrong? See, Africa is a whole continent. Okay. Antarctica is a continent. Australia is also a continent. Eurasia, if it was Europe or it was Asia, it would have been different. Eurasia is the combined land region of Europe and Asia. So Eurasia is not a separate individual recognized continent. Hence option C is the correct answer. It's rather an amalgamation. Question number 7. Number set. Good. Very good, Santosh. Try this one now. Is it what I think it is? Either you can do it, just subtract them. Okay, you will get this. or this is 26 into 2, 26 into 3, 100 into 2, 100 into 3, 14 into 2, 14 into 3. So option A should be the correct answer. Very easy. Next, question number 8. Number series. Good, very good. Check difference of difference. Okay. So what will happen here? 20 units. What is happening here? This is 30 units. This is 42, right? And this is 56. Okay. Difference of difference. So double difference. 10. This is 22. Oh, sorry, 12. My God, what's wrong? And this is 14. Pretty clear. So this difference had to be 8. So this had to be 12. So this had to be 300. Option C is the correct answer. Cool. Next, question number 9. If ghost is coded as 138, what is the code for quiet? 20, 19, 8, 7 and 15. So the sum is definitely not 138. But the sum, can it be multiplied with something? Okay, so just try. So 8, 7 is 15, 15, 15, 30 and 19, 20 is 39. 39 and 30 is 69, 69 into 2 is 138. Done. Simple. So quiet is 17, 21, 9, 5, 20. 21, 20 is 41. 17 and 9 is 26 plus 5 is 31. 31 and 41 is 72. 72 into twice is 144. Option C is the right answer. Next, question number 10. Arey, what's wrong? Where are the answers? Now, Lily, Rose, Jaguar is OPQ and Rose, Jaguar, Lily is PQO. They are just reversing the orders here. There is not a big deal. Lily is O, Lily is O. Rose is P, Rose is P. Jaguar is Q, Jaguar is Q. Okay. So, Lily is O. So, we already have the code here. There is no rocket science. They are asking you, what is the code for Jaguar? Jaguar is Q. That's simple. Okay. Next, question number 11. One means addition. Okay. So 4 plus 1. Sorry. 4 plus 2. 2 means subtraction. Minus 5. 3 means multiplication. Multiplication 3. 4 means division. 1 plus 6. 2 was my subtraction 3. So this is 3 divided 1 is 3 into 5, 15. 4 plus 2 is 6. This is gone. Sorry, this is 12. This is minus 18. So minus 6 will be the correct answer. Option B. Next, question number 12. Correct arrangement in which the English dictionary arrangement. Only 4 words. This is easy. 3 and 2. What do you think is the right one? Oops, what's wrong? Oh, I clicked on previous. First position we have 3 and 2. So 3 is headbutt and this is heart. Obviously headbutt will come first, so this will go. Now 1 and 2. So heavy weight and heart. Obviously heart will come first, so 2 will come first. This is gone. Third position 1 and 4. Heavy weight and heat pump. So obviously heat pump will come first, so 4 will come first. So option D is the correct answer. 13. Syllogism. There's no excitement in these sessions, I believe. It's only me coming here, solving the questions and going. What's the point? I'll ask the team to stop these sessions altogether. It's useless. Nobody even bothers to put a comment. All pots are vase. Some cans are pots. Some mugs are cans. No mug is a vase is a possibility. No mug is a vase is a possibility. See, mug and vase, vase, whatever you want to call it, they are not connected. Okay. And if they are not connected, that means all possibilities between them will always be correct. All possibilities between them will be correct. Some cans are, yes, this is true. And no vase is can. This is not true. So only 1 and 2. Option B is the right answer. 13th, 14th. Mirror image. But the mirror is on the left side. Be careful. So this time this will flip first. So I will be as it is. D will flip. Okay. So you will begin from here actually. So 6 will flip first. This is gone. A is the same. C is the same. I is the same. F is the same. At the rate. It's here 4. After F we have an at the rate. So this is also gone. Then I, T, 4, E. This is N, this is E, gone. Option 4. Figure 4 is the right answer, which shows that option D is correct. Okay. Next, question number 15. Yes, Santosh, absolutely. Good job. If there is any doubt, if you are not able to understand anything, you have to let me know in the session. You have to talk, you have to open your mouths, guys. It can't go on like this. I'll feed on your energy, right? If your energy is down, then how will I be all charged and energized? Okay, let's come back. Which two numbers and not digits and two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? They want both numbers and signs. First, you need to check what is exactly wrong in this one. Okay, so just quickly solve this. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 2 plus 24 into 6. So this is 146 minus 12. Never going to be 87. This probably is a very large number in a positive number. So this has to be either reduced or we increase the negative number. But that won't make sense. Okay. So 24 into 6. Something here has to change. You have to reduce this number. Or we remove the into sign. These are the two possibilities which I feel should work. Okay. If we remove the into sign, then we have only two options to check with into, that is division. Now instead of into, if we have division here, then that works. We get 4 here. Instead of 144, we'll get 4 right away. And in multiplication also, we can do this in a better way. 128 will be slightly reduced, plus 4 minus 12. Okay, we are also changing 8 and 6. So when we divide this by 8, this will become 3. This will become 96. So this seems to be a possibility. Just quickly check this out. This might work. So we are changing 8 and 6. So we are doing 16 multiplied by 6 plus 24 divided by 8 minus 12. So this is 96 plus this is 3 minus 12. This is 99 minus 12 is 87. Option B is the right answer. These questions are not challenging at all. These questions are not challenging at all. Just that one step of calculation will increase. That's all. And if your observation is good, these are very easy. Again, syllogism. No heaters are coolers. Some coolers are steamers. Some fans are steamers. Some steamers are heaters. No, not at all. I cannot say that. All fans can be heaters. Can they be? All fans, can they be heaters? Yes, I think so. Okay, it is only restricted with coolers, not with steamers. So all fans can be heaters is right. So only conclusion 2 follows should be the correct answer. Next, 17. Thermometer temperature. What measures air pressure? Santosh, you can try the special numbers. Wait, I'll show it to you. So I have shown this in multiple classes of mine. What you can do is, you try to make a list of numbers like this. N square plus or minus 1, n cube plus or minus 1 or 2, and n square plus or minus n, n cube plus or minus n, then n cube plus n square plus n or minus. Okay. After this, you can also do this, n cube plus n square plus or minus 1, right? Then we can do another one as n cube plus n square or minus n square. Then you can make n square divided by 2 or n cube divided by 2. We can do 2n square, we can do 3n square, we can do n square divided by 3, n cube divided by 3. See, these are some examples I am giving you. You can have a lot more, and create a list with these ones from, let's say, n equal to 1 to n equal to 15. Create a list. For example, I created for this value from n equal to 1. So 1 means 1 square plus 1 is 2. 2 means 2 square plus 2 is 6. 3 square plus 3 is 12. 4 square plus 4 is 20. So now you'll also realize this is nothing but n into n plus 1. Okay. So this will become easier for you to remember those numbers and then get the correct answers. Try this once. This will definitely be beneficial to you. Okay. Also, I'll be bringing in sessions on the YouTube platform, probably from this week onwards. So very soon we'll be discussing, we'll be having a live session on number series on YouTube as well. So that will be helpful. Yes, barometer I believe is the correct answer. There is no rocket science about this one. Next, question number 18. Paper folding. Symmetry. The heart will not change direction. So this is gone. 2 and 1 are gone. This is totally out of line. So only option figure 3, option B is the correct answer. There was nothing here. Question number 19. Number of triangles. This is interesting. Try this one. Not difficult. It's actually interesting and easy. How many can we find? Okay, let's break it down into parts. So we have this one broken vertically into 2 parts, so 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are done. Now we'll take this one, 1, we'll take this one, 2, we'll take this one, and 3, and this becomes 12, and that's about it. No more triangles. We have covered almost all the triangles. Yes, option A, 12 is the correct answer. The question seems to be complicated, but it's very easy. Okay, next, question number 20. Most welcome, bacha. No issues. It's my job. Odd one out. See, don't get confused by the sign. Don't think that this is division. Okay, they are just giving you 2 numbers and a third number. Oops, my bad. So what exactly is happening here is we are just adding these numbers. If you add them, what will you get? 140. And 140 if you multiply by, so this is the odd one out. 34 and 91. This is 125. 125 into 2 is 250. Add them. This is 95, I believe, right? This is 95 into 2 is 190. And this is 123 multiplied by 2, 246. But this is not following here. So option A is the odd one out. Sum into 2. That's the only one correct answer. 21. P should be the grandmother of R. P has to be the grandmother of R. Now, if you observe the expressions, P will not be a male. Do we have male answers here? A hash. So P hash will not be possible. P ampersand will not be possible. Okay. P hash and P ampersand gone. Okay. P ampersand we don't. P ampersand gone. We are only left with two options. The initial signs are same for both of them. So P at the rate means P is the mother of Q. P is surely the mother of Q. Now we need to check where P is the grandmother of R. So R has to be the daughter or son of Q. Q ampersand R means Q is the husband of R. Does not work here. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Option D is the clear cut correct answer. Eliminate and check. These questions always eliminate and check. Eliminate based on the gender first and then eliminate based on immediate answers, immediate attachments. Letter series. Soldier life with video is a little bit blurry. See, we can do two things here. The video can be blurry because of streaming issues. What you can do at your end is, point number one, you can obviously reset your video resolution settings. I am sure most of you have already done that. So that is done and dusted. Point number two, you can use pinch zoom on your mobile phone. If you are watching YouTube on your phone, you yourself can pinch zoom the screen, because I cannot pinch zoom this. This is on the web. Nothing is going to happen. Okay. So you can pinch zoom the screen. If it still does not work, you tell me. I'll take your feedback. From next session onwards, I'll create a presentation. I'll create a PDF. And then we can zoom in those PDFs. That will become better. Okay. Works? Try to pinch zoom at your end. Okay, so this is 4, 11, this is plus 7, 11, 18 plus 7, 18, 25 plus 7. So this is no rocket science. 13 plus 7 is 20, so option A is the correct answer. 23. Repeat pattern. BB-C. Oh, I think I know the logic already. See, it will start coming to you automatically. Let's try this. A, B, B, C, C, D. A, B, B, C, C, D, A, B, B, C, C, D, A, B, B, C, C, D. Does it work? So the answer should be A, C, D, B. A, C, D, B, C, B, B, D, B, C. Option B is the correct answer. I am telling you, if you practice a lot on this particular type, just spend maybe 50-60 questions, 50-55 questions at max. One time in one sitting. You know, even after looking at the blanks, you will be able to figure out what might be the repeat pattern. That's how easy this is going to get. Okay, provided there is a repeat pattern, of course. 24. People from Delhi, painters and women. What is the number of women who are from Delhi but not painters? Women from Delhi but not painters. So it should be a part of this polygon here and this curved rectangle, whatever you call this, but not under painters. So we can see it's only 21. It's pretty easy. So option D is the right answer. Cool. And the last question for this session and this mock. Wow. Figure series. Try this. I want you guys to give it a shot. Which figure will complete the question? each step is going in a different way. Each step is going in a different way, isn't it? Okay. This is not an alternating series. Usually it's on an alternate pattern. This follows this and then this follows this. But this is not happening here. So what we can observe here is, number one is, if you see these points are moving diagonally. This club sign is going here. This circle is coming here. This 9 is going here and this W is coming on the top. Visualize it. This triangle is eliminated and instead this kite or rhombus comes here, followed by this dollar, followed by this R and followed by this equal to, and they form this. From here again there is a movement of this sort. 9 comes on the top, W goes here, clubs comes here, circle comes on the top. So this happens, and then again this equal to goes on the corner, this R goes on the corner, this dollar comes here and this kite comes here. Okay. Now in the next case we again have the same movement. Circle goes on the top, 9 comes here, W comes here, clubs comes here. So this is it, and this dollar and this gets clubbed here. This R and kite or whatever you want to call it, club gets clubbed here. Okay. Now the last time again, this club is going to move on the top, circle is going to move here, kite is going to move here. Sorry, 9 is going to move here and W is going to move here. So we have a W, club, circle and 9. W, club, circle, 9, W, club, circle, 9. So this is gone, this is gone. Okay. Now what is the next possible movement? Next is this dollar is again on the top, this equal to is on the bottom, and this kite is again on the top and this R is at the bottom. This is happening here. This is the only one which is following suit because this is just switching positions. I am not sure this might happen. Okay, I am not sure this might happen with any logic. So I think figure 1 is the correct answer. Figure 1 is the correct answer. Perfect. Each movement was different. So here that is usually not asked, but to make it difficult and challenging, what they do is they have set each movement in a different way. There is no pattern. You cannot say that this is exactly going to happen. But looking at the pattern, you can eliminate from the options that this is surely not going to happen. So we'll only be left with one solution. Okay. See, if you're sitting for a competitive exam, I know previous year questions help, but don't depend merely on those. You have to be prepared for the worst. We recently saw what happened with the NEET examination, right? So you have to be prepared for the worst. This is what I always tell you in the sessions, that already start, that does not mean that you start solving CAT level questions altogether, but sometimes keep introducing that gradually in your progress, that once and twice, sometimes a puzzle based question or some other question, so that you are at par. No matter what happens, you are ready. Okay, that has to be the idea in today's competitive cutthroat world. That is how we can ace and get a job at any organization. All right, so that's about it from my side. Anything which you want to know, you can let me know. We are live with the SSC Score Booster 2.0 batches, so go ahead and check that out. If you are interested for admission, we have started from ground zero from 1st May onwards only, which includes a complete mix, a proper, perfect mix of revision, concept understanding and practice at the same time. So there are dedicated practice sessions. It's not like we'll complete the concept and maybe do 10-15 questions with you and done. No. We will be solving the, we'll be clearing the concepts with you and practicing maybe 50-100 questions so that you are at par completely. Plus you'll be getting mock access, community access. So you don't have to go anywhere, everything at one place. So go ahead and check out the Score Booster 2.2 batch, which has just started. If there is anything else apart from this, you can let me know in the chat box. Please, as I repeatedly tell you, do like the session, share this across platforms so that there are more competitive students at this platform and you can get the exact exam feel, right? Do subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind.